Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a voiceover because today I will do a little different thing. I will do a ballerina painting with the stencils, but for my background I will use this pour that you watch me do in a short clip here at the beginning, because it's a Dutch pour that I kind of didn't like. I have problems with Dutch pours, so but I was so inspired by Mina. She do these beautiful stencils with these little piggy pigments over the pores or just on the background, solid background. Everything, how you mix your pigments with which products. Please check Mina's channel. I will link it in the description box because I just didn't film how I mixed my pigments because I had kind of a lesson with Mina and film it anyway, the ballerina thing. And Mina will teach this technique on Fluid Art Boutique on October. If you want to learn, because when I got my stencils, I was like, whoops, and now what? So it's kind of a lot of things that you have to pay attention on to do a stencil. So I choose a ballerina stencil. I taped it on my canvas, dry. It is dry, of course, and I did put some clear gel gloss at first, but Mina told me that I should take a picture of the stencil on the canvas before I start adding paints, but I didn't, and I lost the track here, so I will just struggle. As I said, it's my first time, so if you want to learn, you can buy tickets on Fluid Art Boutique or check Mina Villegas art channel. So I will just let you enjoy. I definitely did, and I have a ton of ideas how and what I want to do, so you will definitely see more of this. So enjoy and see you on the next one. So I did a voiceover for this one because it was just time to play with the stencils, with talking with Mina Villegas. First, of course, I will link her channel when you can see all those beautiful inspiration that I got. You will see how she mixes pigments for stencil technique. You can buy a course on Fluid Art Boutique in October in Florida from Mina. It's a big event, so you can check Fluid Art Boutique if you want to buy some lessons and paint with some amazing artists. I think that 7 of them. But I love this lady, and I love that I managed to use this pour that I didn't like at first. So this is it for today. I am glad, I'm glad, I'm really happy with the painting. I hope that you like it too. It has a ton of pearls in there, so it's kind of nice. Please check Mina's channel if you like this technique, and see you on the next one. Bye.